Hi my chocolate queens, so welcome back to my channel. As I promised you in my previous video that I would post another one to show you how to do your crochet twist yourself. Keep on watching, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for notification. Bye, enjoy the video. After cutting the extension, what you do is you hold the hair tight but not too tight, so when you pull the hair it can slide easily. So you just keep pulling like so, and after you're done pulling you brush both ends, and that's it. It's really easy. As you can see, I already have a stick tied to two chairs so I can do my twist. So you twist the hair, you put it on the stick, and now you twist. I'm gonna show you really clear so you can see how to twist your hair. Senegalese twist can be challenging, but at the same time it's not that difficult. If you follow those steps that I'm showing you, you'll get it. First, you twist the right hand, you twist the left hand, and you cross. It doesn't matter which hand you twist first, as long as they go in the same direction, you're fine. That is it for the video. If you wanna see how I install this crochet Senegalese twist in my hair, go watch my previous video. Thank you for watching. If the video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for notification. Bye, it's your girl Celise. Until next time.